Hey guys, all right, I wanted to jump on real quick. Tomorrow you only have one thing to do this week. Aren't you so excited? Lucky you. Bad part is you have 3 days with me next week. I'm so sorry. So tomorrow you're going to be graphing. I'm going to say that really lightly. You'll see why here in a second. You're going to be graphing in point slope form. It's the only thing you do this week. So there is a video that will be posted tomorrow in our Google Classroom under our stream. You guys did awesome last week. I'm so proud of you. I probably had the most participation out of this class than any of my classes. So please keep up the good work. So tomorrow, I need you to watch the video. There's a video, of course. You don't have notes over it. You don't have a packet for the notes. So you're going to have to really pay attention. And I think that you'll find it to be not too bad. The assignment is where some of you are going to think it's kind of weird. So it isn't GoFormative, which we're used to using GoFormative. But you guys are used to when you type your answers in or when you put your answers in, you get the green dots at the top. Tomorrow, it's not going to be like that. Tomorrow, it's all multiple choice. And what I've seen people do lately is if they select A and it's a red dot, they'll select B, it's still a red dot, C, it's a red dot, green, or D, green dot, so then they move on. So they're not really learning the concept, they're just playing the pick the right thing until you get a green dot. So what's going to happen is you're going to do all the problems, and then you're going to press submit, and then I'm going to go back and grade them all and let you know what's right and what's wrong. So just be aware that if you, when you submit your answers, I will be watching you, so that's the good thing. I will be watching. Once you submit your answers, you are going to need to come back to that assignment. I'll be putting your grades or however many you got right or wrong in Google Classroom as soon as you do it and returning it to you. So if you get, I don't know how many problems, I think there's 8. If you get 8 out of 8, then you know you did them all right. If you get 7 out of 8, log back into GoFormative and fix the ones that are wrong. And I think it tells you which ones are wrong. I'll let you know. But please just be aware of that. I'm going to be posting probably tomorrow or maybe even Monday, sometime soon, what the actual full-blown agenda is for next week, just to kind of give you guys a heads up because you guys have to meet 3 days next week. But we'll be good to go. If you guys have any issues, any questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to reach out, and I hopefully will see some of you in our Google Meet tomorrow. I will, if you want me to live teach you how to graph, I'm more than willing to do that. I did that in my other Algebra 1 class, and it went awesome. So log in, say hi, or I can just go through the notes with you and just teach it to you instead of you watching the video. So either watch the video, or you can come in and hang out with me. So have a good one, and I will see you guys later.